Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp E watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the system option and tap on it. And here scroll down, find the factory reset option, select it, and then confirm by tapping on the check mark and wait until the resetting process is complete. So let's confirm, and now let's wait. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.